southern hemisphere. This is New Zealand. It's currently summer over here. And it's fucking raining! Come on! This is ridiculous. This is beyond ridiculous. This is just downright unreasonable. Come on, send this to the South Island. They've got droughts over there. This happens every year. Summer comes around, they get droughts, we get way too much rain. Come on. This ain't hard. This is anything but hard to figure out weather. Come on, man. I mean, yep. If it... Yeah, we get a lot of things right. Weather still screws us, though.